How to find who can invite me to private servers on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can invite me to private servers on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down, and you will find settings here. Click on it and then click privacy, and then just go down, and here you will find that who can invite me to private servers, and just click friends. You will find it on friends and you can manage it on anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.